This is HONOR X8a, and in today's video I would like to share a few useful camera tips and tricks on this device. So let's quickly launch the camera app, and the first interesting camera mode that I wanted to share with you is called aperture. And long story short, this is the separate portrait mode for objects. So the way it works, you simply point your camera at the object and it will somehow smartly blur its background to make the object stand out, well, as much as this camera is capable of making it standing out. So if we will open this picture, you'll notice that the screenshot is slightly blurred, while the object itself is in perfect focus. Another interesting mode that you might have not known or heard about is called Pro mode. I probably should switch off the auto rotate option for our shared convenience. So this mode is called Pro mode, and while in the Pro mode, you are able to manually adjust camera properties such as whatever this is: ISO value, shutter speed, exposure, autofocus, and white balance. Obviously, this mode is designed for more camera-savvy users and, well, people who know exactly what result of a photo they would like to get. And while using the Pro mode, you can exactly tailor your camera to meet your expectations. Or you can just adjust it to match whatever environment you're in. If the automatic adjustment is failing you for some reason, well, you know, everything can happen. Another interesting quirk is this AI button, and once enabled, it obviously puts your photo mode into AI photography regime. And well, I cannot say much about it, since the way it works, it just kinda enhances the colors on your photo. It just uses more AI plus processing to make your photos and pictures more vibrant, more colorful. So let's compare regular and AI picture and see if we will find any notable difference. Probably there is not that much of a difference, but I guess my color palette is pretty limited here, only green, white, and black. If you'll test it on some colorful objects, especially in the daylight conditions, you will definitely see that the AI photography brings out the best out of object and environment colors. It simply makes them slightly more, ever so slightly, vibrant and, well, more lively, should I say. And well, the last interesting mode that I wanted to show in this video, you'll once again find in the More section. It is called the Dual View, and it allows you to record video from both selfie and main cameras at the same time, simultaneously. So if you would like to show something and then also show your face or your reaction or whatever goal you are looking to achieve, this mode is the perfect fit for you. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.